Hello guys, what's going on, welcome back to my channel. I recently just processed a new withdrawal from Trader Central Fund, as you can see here, but we're gonna come back to this in a minute. Let me just show you from my portfolio. I think today is the 15th of March, and yesterday I requested a withdrawal from the $4,000 profit that I made. So from that, I'm gonna be getting about $3,500, which is 85% of the total profit. And as you can see, I've already taken a new trade after the withdrawal has been processed, and my first trade after the withdrawal is a loss. You can see it here. So let me just quickly show you. So I received the withdrawal after. I actually received the withdrawal after about 24 hours from the time I processed it. And you can see here, I use Bitcoin to process the withdrawal, and my Bitcoin wallet is Newton. I wish they have other options to withdraw, but I think going forward I'm gonna be using a USDC coin because it's a stable coin, and there's not gonna be any fluctuation in the market affecting it. Or maybe if they have a wire transfer, I'm gonna start using that, because using Bitcoin is not really the best, because your money is susceptible to the changes in the market. So if you receive your withdrawal at 7 p.m. and Bitcoin drop by 10%, within 2 hours, your money is also down by 10%. So let's see. Going forward, I will try to use something else that is more stable, like the USD coin. And when they bring wire transfer, if they bring wire transfer or bank card payment, I'm going to start using that as well. So this is my second withdrawal from Trader Central, and before I end this video, I just quickly want to show you guys how my week is going. Today is Tuesday, and I took a trade yesterday, which I already mentioned, which resulted in a loss. And today I'm looking at CAD JPY, and I'm currently I really want the price to push up from this area of resistance and come back to my area here of demand, which I literally marked on the 1 hour time frame. Let me drop down. So this is my area of demand. I want price to actually push up a little bit and come back for me here, and then I would take the trade and give it a 1 to 3 risk to reward. But so far, price is still chilling here. Price might not push up, price might come back here, but I would like to keep an eye on what price does here before I get into the trade. And the second trade I'm looking at is USD CHF is looking similar to CAD JPY. It's currently in a uptrend, and I've already marked my area here for of resistance, which has been broken, and a demand area was formed here at this level. So usually what price does, what I would like to see price do is just come back to my area of demand here. I'll keep an eye on the price action at that level, and then I will be looking to go long over here and put my stop loss somewhere here, at the low of this of Monday. So those are the two trades I have my eyes on right now, and I'm gonna be heading out in a minute. Hopefully I'm not too busy to see what's going on, but for this one I'm actually gonna set a pending order for USD CHF. But for CAD JPY, I'm not gonna set any. For CAD JPY, I'm not gonna set a pending order. I would really love to see price push up a little bit, just to I want price to commit to me before I commit to the market. So I would just like to see that happen before I get into that trade. And for USD CHF, yeah, I'm gonna set a pending order right now to this level, put my stop loss here, and take profit there, and just let the market do its thing. And then later today, I'm gonna be checking how the trade has performed. I'm not gonna be checking my trades in every 5 minutes or so to see how the trade is doing. The other pair I've actually been looking at is gold. Gold, so far I don't understand what's going on with gold. Well, I have a little understanding, but I'm just not comfortable with what's going on. If you look at gold on a weekly time frame, gold has been crazy the past 2 weeks. It's been on a crazy uptrend, but beginning of this week, price started to drop. But what I just didn't like was the fact that this body here, this candle here, has no wick. I really love to see a candle with a wick, and then if there's a wick here and then the price starts to drop, I'll be more comfortable taking it, just like this over here. You see this wick here, lots of rejection from this high over here, and then the wick shows it shows lots of rejection, and I can see that price really push down from there. So it would be interesting to see just a little weak. We make me more comfortable shorting it, but I don't see any weak, and to me it doesn't look as if the market is being serious and ready to drop. But don't get me wrong, it can still drop. Market does what it wants to do, but for me, I would like to see what I want to see, and if I don't see it, I'm not trading it. So I would just like to see price. Let me look at it on a 2-hour time frame. I would like to see price just push back all the way here to this level, all the way to the top here, and then I'm gonna short it over here and then all the way down here and see what happens with gold. Because this structure here have been broken. We can see price has been on an uptrend. It's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then eventually this structure here got broken. This higher low got broken, and then that's a sign that prices might be ready to reverse. And if it comes back up here without breaking the structure here, I will be looking to short it, and it's gonna be a really big. It will be a really big risk to reward if I'm able to hold it that long. I don't have the guts to hold it that long, but if I get busy with my life, I'm likely gonna hold it that long because I'm not gonna be checking it. So let's see how this goes. I hope you guys have a great week. I'm probably this video is probably gonna go up on Wednesday morning, which is tomorrow, and or today, Tuesday. Well, we'll see how that goes. So this is it so far. Hope you guys have a great trading week. Have a nice day. Central is gonna do something really interesting this week or in the next few days. They are looking to launch something called social feed, and I think Pete. I don't really have much info regarding that yet, but once it's launched, it's gonna be here on the dashboard, and I can actually make a video about it to update you guys. So from my understanding, I think number one, you guys will have opportunity that's I'm looking to create a brand under this platform, so you guys will have the opportunity to actually copy my trades automatically by just connecting your account to my own funded account, and you can actually profit with me while I profit. Or if I lose any trade, that's also going to reflect on your account. So you guys can have the opportunity to do that. I'm only going to be taking live account because the strategy I'm using here is just is geared towards a live account. It's not really geared towards trying to pass a challenge in a month or whatnot. So you guys can copy my trades. You cannot use your Trader Central funded account because we're gonna be accused of group trading. But other accounts you have, maybe live account with your broker or live account with another broker, or another prop firm, you can easily connect that to my account. I'll let you guys know in the next couple of days the minimum account that I'm gonna be taking, and how much profit splits and all that is gonna be. So it's a way for me to expand my portfolio that I'm managing, and also for you to actually partake in my profits that I'm making on a monthly basis. So that's it regarding that. And there's also gonna be this thing called social feed. It's like a social. It's gonna be like a social media inside this platform where you can interact with other traders, where you can get ideas from other traders. But I'm definitely gonna make a separate video talking about that, and showing you guys how it works and how you can connect with me for those that are interested. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. Subscribe to this channel, and you're gonna be getting more info regarding that and the direction I'm willing to take it concerning my brand.